Yo, 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 this your boy Ball Beast 37. What's going on? But gotta get the fresh cut, you know how it goes. So, anyways, yeah, I got another package. Hopefully I can get it put on this week or next. I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as possible, but I'm gonna make a video on the install. But I got these vibrant resonator mufflers from my Dodge Charger. Let's see what they looking like. Alright, got my knife. Do this. Oh yeah, super shiny. Toasty! Definitely pleased with it. Really good. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, that video will be posted soon on the install of my car. So, to be continued. Peace.